This is Mr. Canada, Ricky Williams, proud member of Blood Money, and your Canadian and New Breed champion. November 15th at the Duanesburg Community Center. Elite versus Mr. Canada, Ricky Williams for my in-your-face New Breed championship. Elite, you think for 1 minute you deserve a title shot against me, a former 4-time tag team champion and a 2-time New Breed champion, eh? You think just because you came in from a graduation and you're automatically, hey, I'm going to challenge for the championship. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work, especially with me, eh? I am the greatest technical wrestler in in-your-face wrestling, the best you ever see. And since you graduated from the school, you haven't faced me yet, boy. And I guarantee, November 15th, after I get done with you, I'm going to take you old school. And boy, you will never, ever want to face me again, eh?